Do you have a Beats Studio Buds which you want to connect to your Nintendo Switch 2 via Bluetooth? Then here's how you pair them together. First of all, what you need to do is go to System Settings on your Switch 2. Then from the left panel, go to Bluetooth Audio. Then click on Pair Device. Now, as your Nintendo Switch 2 is searching for your Bluetooth device, grab your Studio Buds 2, then simply try opening the lid. After opening it, it may pop up on the list automatically. If it doesn't, then what you need to do is press on the setup button or pairing button that you see here and press and hold it until the white LED starts blinking rapidly. Now that it started pulsating, it should appear on our Bluetooth list. Somehow if it doesn't appear, then just close the lid of your Beats Studio Buds, open it back up, and press and hold on the setup button once again. There we have it. Now we'll just tap on our earbuds, and in a second it will get connected to your Switch 2. So let's just press OK, and you can see there's a blue tick mark. So now go ahead and enjoy your Beats Studio Buds.